Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Raja Daniel and my friend Izzat, Anas and Rafli from Group 1 represent about our poster which is hierarchy at tipping process. So in this poster we highlight a major hazards which is electrical shock. These dangers are often overlooked, but ignorance can lead to severe injuries such as internal damage, fatal electrocution, and painful skin burns. So that's why we must understand and apply hierarchy, which mean hierarchy identification, risk assessment, and risk control to ensure safety during the tipping process. So let's explore how we can prevent this incident and create a safer working environment together.
Okay, now if you ignore this hazard, you can lead to have injury such as internal organ damage, fatal electrocution, and skin burn.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Anas bin Muhammad Azman. I will present on recovery measure related to electrical shock hazard at the workplace. There are three main type of recovery measure that we focus on: engineering control, administrative control, personal protective equipment (PPE). The first is engineering control. This involves modified equipment or the work environment to improve safety. For example, emergency stop button should be installed in place that are easily accessible, so worker can respond quickly in a case of an incident. Second is administrative control. This measure focus on training and education worker. All employees should be given proper safety training, include how to recognize electrical hazard and what action to take in emergency. By implementing all three recovery measures effectively, we can reduce the risk of electrical shock and create a safe and healthy work environment. Thank you. And the third is personal protective equipment (PPE). Finally, worker must wear suitable PPE. Example include resistant glove, the electric safety boots which help prevent electric shock.
So for legal requirement, I will explaining a key legal duty employers have to make sure all equipment and work system are safe and don't pose health risk as far as is reasonable practicable. So this requirement come from workplace health and safety law like the Health and Safety at Work Act. The best reasonable practicable means employers must balance the level of risk against the time, effort, and cost of reducing it, but they can ignore obvious danger. So if a risk is serious and solution is simple or affordable, they must act. In practice, this means checking machinery is maintained and safe, giving staff proper training, setting up safe work procedure, and fixing hazard quickly. This action help protect worker from injury, illness, and long-term health risk. Example, if a machinery has exposed moving part, it's the job for employers to fit a guard, train staff how to use it safely, and inspect it regularly. Ignoring this could lead to serious injury and legal consequence. In short, employers have a legal duty to protect their workers by keeping equipment and systems safe, not just to avoid fine, but because it save life.